maintain in the next 3, 4, 5 quarters? First is that question. And second, margin, I'm not asking margin, but we can assume around 20, 24, 25%. Can we assume and model for next year? First question is this, sir. Like this, we're not going back from 720, 750 to again into 600s, right? So that's one question.
You cannot take quarter on quarter. So we went into 550 and then come back to 700. So I will not commit on the 700 is sacrosanct, but obviously our target now is to move 800. So next 4 quarters we should be crossing 800. That should be our target, and that's what we will be striving for.
And can we assume 24, 25% margin for next year?
That's right. That's okay.
Oh, so on. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. All the best, sir.
Thanks, Vivek. Next, we have Mr. Nimish Soni from Carmelian Capital. Nimish Soni from Carmelian Capital.
Hi, am I audible?
Yeah, Nimish, please go on.
Yeah. So first of all, very, very congratulations to the management for good set of numbers. My question would be that about the R&D capitalization, that how do you define that what is the new product and what is the existing one?
Sorry, can you please come again?
Sorry. Yeah, about the R&D capitalization, like how do you define what is going into the new product and what is for the existing one?
So what is the question? Well, I think the point is we are putting two expenses. One is R&D expenses, and so R&D expenses are close to 200 crore, which goes for maintaining the existing products, which we take right now.
Which are basically in the research phase. So whatever is in the research phase is actually charged off to the P&L. That's what you see, something close to 200 crores for the year. And wherever we develop the functionalities or release any major versions, and that's where it's getting capitalized. That's about 140 crore per year.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now we have Mr. Manoj Dua from Geometric. Manoj?
Am I audible, sir?
Dua. Yeah.
Am I audible, sir? Okay.
Yes, please go on.
Okay. Are you seeing some trend where the revenue is based on the outcome rather than lessons or transaction based? That if we implement your software, the kind of output or saving or deals we will get, is there a trend like that?
We are not accepting that. We don't want to take that risk right now. We'll be doing it afterwards.
Okay. Thank you. That's all. Thank you and best of luck.
Okay. Next.
You can open the next question.
You can see that number.
Yeah, sir. Praveen went into.
Who is this?
Next, we have Mr. Pawan Kataria. Mr. Pawan Kataria from Bullseye. Mr. Pawan Kataria, not there?
Next year.
Next, we have Mr. Vipul Kumar Shah from Sumangal Capital. Mr. Vipul Kumar Shah, Sumangal Investment.
Hi, thanks for the opportunity. So my question is the funnel which we have shown in our presentation. So this funnel, can you say how much deals are for pure purple fabrics, or every deal includes some portion of purple fabrics? Your comments are welcome, sir.
As of now, the funnel has 10 to 15% component is from purple fabric. The more components getting built up. So that's how you can look at it.
Every deal will have 10 to 15% of purple fabric.
That's right.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vipul. Thank you, Vipul. Next, we have Ms. Jyoti Singh from Arihant Capital. Jyoti Singh from Arihant
Yeah.
Capital.
Thank you so much, sir. And congratulations on the good set of number and execution. Sir, my question basically on the margin side, like you mentioned on the earlier participant, 24 to 25% margin for the next year. So overall, we are targeting in this range going forward, or earlier we mentioned 30% plus operating margin going forward. Just clarification on that side, and also like a lot of traction on AI front, and earlier you discussed with some of the participants. So what are target on the AI side, and how much we are seeing it will be benefit on the revenue front?
Two things are there. In the long run, our margin will be 30%, which we are still staying because you have demonstrated this quarter, our margins are 30%. So if you look at the margin of this quarter alone is 30%, on annualized is around 24%, 23% is annualized basis. So obviously this will grow year on year as more license linked revenue grows, as the previous person asked that question. So this margin should grow year on year, 2-3% year on year. So if you're looking for a 3-year perspective, definitely margin may inches towards 27, 28, 29, 30% kind of rate, depending upon how the license works and how the purple fabric comes. I mentioned during the 18 December purple fabric conversation for investor that this is a business which can be 1,000 crore to 5,000 crore business. We are quite sure of 1,000 crore. We are now in last 4-5 months, we built it up, the entire use cases, the business cases to make it a 1,000 crore business. So 1,000 crore business is in next 3 years for purple fabric is almost, we have created a complete pipeline, market, strategy around 1,000 crore business. Next milestone is, can we make it a 5,000 crore business? That's what our efforts are, where Banesh, me are working along with Manish and Rajesh to make this as a greatest AI product in the world, where which can challenge Palantir, or which can challenge C3O, C3.ai. That's a dream that we are running.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jyoti. Next, we have Mr. Jitinder Agarwal from Relax Capital. Jitinder, please unmute yourself. Jitinder Agarwal from Relax Capital. I think Jitinder is not there, looks like. Can we go to the next? Next, we have Mr. Umang Shah from Banyan Tree Advisors. Mr. Umang Shah. Mr. Umang Shah. Yeah.
Hi, thank you for the opportunity. Glad you shared the results much earlier, and both the results and the presentation. We could go through it really well. One question that I had was, while with the with the use of AI, you are able to create more use cases for your technology. Just wanted to understand internally, how is it helping us with respect to employee productivity? And if it is, then do we plan to how do we plan to grow the employee base that we have?
Yeah, so employee, if you observe that cost of 500 crore remain constant in spite of the salary raises, is directly attributable to the productivity. If the revenue have grown from excluding GEM from 2000, almost 11%, that 11% increase has not translated into the cost structure, that's a productivity gain. The more productivity will come with more and more implementation of purple fabric within Intellect. And AI doesn't give clearly only the productivity, it gives you accuracy and better success chances. So first of all, I want to clarify the role of AI is to augment the capability of the manager in the company, not replacing him. So there is a myth over there that AI will replace people. AI will make the people more efficient and effective. And that's what we are making Intellect, that our deliveries are on time. We did 16 transformation last quarter, so we can able to complete those transformations faster. So our collection can be better. These are the objective of the AI, not just a headcount reduction.
Great, sir. And just sir, one more question. One more question was, you had started putting up a front end for selling purple fabric. I think 6 months back. That's when you had started talking about it. So, where are we on that journey? Do we have sales force now in Europe and North America, or is it still work in progress? And if it's already there, how is the response so far?
Yeah, we're still building the sales force. The partnership network is already there. Some of the partnership is working right now. So some other service players are working on Europe, and Europe sales force still there. In America, we are building up.
What is the size of the sales force, if you're okay to?
Today it's an integrated sales force, so because all the sales force not separate for purple fabric, because all the sales force, which is more than 100 plus sales force, is selling purple fabric along with their current portfolio.
Great, sir. Thank you so much, sir. All the best.
Thanks, Umang. Now, next we have Mr. Sameer Dosani from ICICI Mutual Fund. Sameer Dosani.
Am I audible?
Yeah, Sameer, please go on.
Yes, congratulations on a great set of numbers, sir. Can you share qualitative feedback or qualitative comments around the progress of the US business? I think we started speaking about it in last 6-9 months that you want to develop US business. So any qualitative comments, how is it going? And I think you had a target of some that it will become X percentage of your revenue in 3-4 years. So where are we on that journey?
Qualitative commentary we have already given. No? So what is the question? Initially, maybe you can listen to this conversation because qualitative conversation was given that time.
Okay, sir. Okay. So we already have a sales force on ground. We are growing in line with our expectation. I think that's there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And there were two deal wins, sir, two large deal wins. So one of it, I think, is 200 crore fabric deal win. You said it will start coming in from Q1. The other large deal, is it already part of Q4, sir, or it is yet to be accounted for?
That is already accounted.
Sorry?
That is already accounted.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thanks. That's it from my side. All the best.
Thank you.
You are on mute.
Thanks, Sameer. Next, we have Mr. Srinivasu from TIA. Srinivasu, you are there? Srinivasu, are you there?
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah. Please go on.
Thanks for the opportunity, sir. Congratulations for the strong set of quarterly numbers. My question is about looking at the deals that you signed in Q4. We can clearly see that there is a shift from the traditional digital transformation deals to AI-driven transformation deals. Are you seeing increasingly clients moving towards this kind of nudging use cases?
Yes, definitely. There's a big trend on AI plus eMAG.ai. So the complete the two kind of deals are there. eMAG deals and the AI deals. So the second large deal, we not Manish, if you want to share the second large deal, what is the trend of eMAG.ai on transformation that
It's
we
the bank transformation across all their international franchises. And this is the capability to integrate and compose using eMAG.ai. I think you've been seeing that we are winning large transformation destiny deals. What's changing now is the embedded AI inside the platform is giving the right excitement to the banks that we are not just doing a patch on co-pilots which give you momentarily high but do not show the business impact. I think that's a differentiation which really the market is looking for. And with the work we had done on Purple Fabric and in the last 24 months on eMAC, the combined power of them to be able to make this impact out is very exciting right now.
Okay. And which verticals are you seeing more demand for this purple fabric? Is it insurance underwriting or finance and accounting, back office operations or document processing? Where exactly you are seeing demand?
So if you look at, we have started this journey with insurance, and that's where we really cut our teeth onto this technology. It's gone into lending, it's gone into payments, it's getting into trade and supply chain finance. So we are, I think there are two things. One, we are embedding this in our standard platform, like Arun called out. And second, we're building it as an independent platform which can sit across whatever knowledge bases you have, and how we build an enterprise knowledge garden and how we build digital experts on top of that. You go look at the world's got excited with co-pilots and everything. What's it delivered? Go ask any CFO how much is your cost reduced genuinely, net of Azure cost added onto it, and you will find very different answers because it was not a holistic design. You were just looking at a structured data component of the data lakes, and you were not harmonizing along with the unstructured data. And that's what we started doing with insurance, and now it's a global launch to be able to take it across all products. We have embedded it already into number of platforms. We've got about 68 digital experts available already, and that's what Arun said. We're formally announcing it on Monday globally. And the following week, Arun and I and Banesh, we are in London and we're rolling it out and then doing a global roadshow behind it. We've got this confidence with the 200 crore deal which we have announced. The scale of transformations we can actually do. And when we are able to say we're going to take basis the impact we created, that's truly, it's not just saying hopefully wishy-washy, some costs will reduce. We've really put our stakes on the ground on the business impact, and that's why we're calling it Business Impact AI.
Yeah. Just to add to what Manish said to your question, it is a combination of eMAC and AI coming together. So even the big deal we won is a combination of eMAC insurance product along with AI that's coming together, and it is impacting both operations and the actual business delivery overall, because that combination is what makes it give the final business impact to the customer.
Thank you, sir. Just follow up on that. When you say productivity improvement to clients, what kind of ROI is expected for clients, say 3 years, for especially these AI deals? Is it 10%, 15%, or 20%? Ballpark.
I think very difficult. Yeah, very difficult to give a percentage like that. For every use case in every business, we show improvement in risk, we show improvement in compliance. Some of them is cost, some of them is improving the quality of their risk decisions. So it's very difficult to give that kind of an impact. But for one of the deals that we had won with the largest wealth manager in the UK, there we had a significant improvement in turnaround time for complaints. What used to be 5 weeks was being done, at a fraction of the time. Almost it runs into something like 30 to 45 minutes. So I think there are different ways in which we measure it, and eventually, of course, it reduces risk or compliance risks, or even potentially cost of operations.
Thank you, sir. Best of luck.
Thanks, Srinivasu. Next, we have Mr. Pratmesh Divar from Tiger Asset. Mr. Pratmesh Divar. Pratmesh? Pratmesh, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, sir, just one question from my side. As we have grown purple fabric as of now till 1,000 crores. So any timeline would you like to give? So by when we can reach purple fabric to 5,000 crores?
That's a difficult thing, but another thing, 1,000 crore also will reach in 3 years, but I think I have a visibility of 1,000 crore. 5,000 crore is what we are attempting to make with the brand in Financial Times and the branding we are doing. That's the potential we are looking at it. Because if Purple Fabric alone give 5,000 crore and banking give 5,000 crore, we have 10,000 crore company.
Got it, sir. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thanks, Pratmesh. I think we don't have anybody else. Arun?
It's a very right time to close the questions. Thank you for
Yeah.
Good and pleasant one.
There's somebody raised hand.
So can we close it, Arun?
Then there's
I think nobody's there.